guys, I'm gonna do a miniature garbage truck update. So, waste management, the driver gave me a little Mackie Electric thing. What's up too? I did all myself. Little dumpster. Matchbox, which I'm really happy to find over here. I found this at Walmart for $1. The random thing that I found out at mom's work, but I could use like a little car delivery truck. Lego thing. Waste management depot. Not from waste management, it's just a replica. A little Lego thing right here. A WM thing. Front loader. Next here. Sorry about all the noise because my mom's watching me do another one. Block. This one. Random. I like this. I think it's for dumpsters or a tow truck. I don't know. So still be on it. So I got him one Matchbox, whatever that is. Matchbox. Oh, I found this at the playground at my school, so I grabbed it. So I took it home. Not really, I found it at the playground. I found it in my desk because I think I brought it to school once for show and tell. And this one that I had when I was a little kid. Another one. Orange Matchbox. I like for DLT trucks. Dumpster delivery truck. Twinkle. Something I can't focus. Twinkle rubbish. Another Matchbox. Whatever this is in a Japanese thing. I think it's Japanese. I don't know what this is. I'll just put it in there. Another one. Rear loader. Same one. Smaller. Whatever this is. Got a Mac. Newer Macs. Rear loader. Whatever this is. More Hot Wheels. Get it. Little, whatever that is. Tonka. Matchbox. Tonka. But I might do an even update soon. Oh wait, I also have the KDW truck. It's broken right there. Front loader. I have another one, but I'm gonna just take a picture of it.